Did you know that an auto campaign is not just for the beginners? It is one of the most powerful tools for keyword and ASIN discovery on Amazon, even for experienced sellers. In this episode, I will break down exactly how to use auto campaigns effectively, including their types, structure, and how to transition to manual campaigns. Let's get started. So, firstly, what is an auto campaign? An auto campaign is Amazon's way of doing the heavy lifting for you. Instead of you picking keywords or ASINs to target, Amazon scans your product listings, your titles, bullet points, backend keywords, and decides which search terms and product pages to display your ad on. This makes auto campaigns one of the easiest and fastest way to launch a campaign. But they are not just as simple, they are powerful as well. With the right approach, you can use them to uncover valuable keywords and ASINs to supercharge your manual campaigns. Here is where auto campaigns shine. Keyword discovery. Auto campaigns help you find search terms that real shoppers are using to find your products. These are often keywords you would not think of on your own. ASIN discovery. Amazon also shows your add-on related product pages, helping you identify which competitor listings drive clicks and sales for your product. Hands-off advertising. If you are just starting out or running multiple campaigns, auto campaigns require less management compared to the manual campaigns. Now, let's see what are the 4 types of auto campaign targeting. Auto campaigns are not a one-size-fits-all strategy. There are actually 4 targeting types within an auto campaign, and each serves a unique purpose. Close match, loose match, substitutes, and complements. So let's break them down with the product example, stainless steel water bottles. Firstly, let's see what are the close match. Close match, your ads show up for search terms that are very closely related to your products. For example, your ad might appear for terms like best stainless steel water bottle or durable stainless steel water bottle. This is great for targeting shoppers who are specifically looking for what you offer. Loose match. Your ads target broader, less specific search terms. For example, your ad might appear for searches like water bottles or eco-friendly water bottles. This is useful for discovering new keyword opportunities but may also bring less relevant traffic. Substitutes. Amazon shows your ad on competitor product pages that are similar to yours. For instance, your ad might appear on a product page selling double wall insulated water bottles. This helps you grab shoppers who are considering competing products. Complements. Your ad appears on product pages for items that complements yours. For example, your ad might show up on listing for hiking backpacks or gym accessories. This targets shoppers who might need your products as an add-on. By splitting your auto campaigns into these 4 targeting types, you can analyze performance individually and fine-tune your strategy. Now that we know what are the 4 types of auto campaigns, let's see the basic structure of how we should set up the auto campaigns. Here is my favorite structure. Create 2 separate campaigns. In campaign 1, include close match and loose match in 2 separate ad groups. In campaign 2, include substitutes and complements in 2 separate ad groups. This approach gives you more control and allows you to allocate budgets and monitor performance based on the purpose of each ad group type. Now, let's quickly jump into the campaign manager and set up one quick auto campaign. Okay, so now I am in my campaign manager. Here, I will be going into create campaign. Go to product, sponsor products, continue, and here we will be setting up first auto campaign for close and loose match. So I will name it as close plus loose match. Then select the product you want to target your ads. Now, since I want to run ads on this product, let's jump into targeting. Choose the automatic targeting here. Set bids by targeting group, and since we are just targeting close match and loose match, let's turn off the substitute and complements. Set up the close match bid a bit higher than the loose match. Let's go with 0.51 for this one and 0.41 for this one. Now moving to the negative keywords, add all the negative keywords where you do not want your ads to show up here. If you know that this is stainless steel water bottle, you can add plastic, cheap, or some stuff like this into the negative phrase. Now moving forward, we will be adding, here you can also add negative product targeting, where you can add the products you do not want to show up your ads. Now moving into the bidding strategy, let's go with down only here. Bidding adjustment, we want to adjust the bids for 10% for top of search only. That is fine. Now let's name it S3 for our agency prefix, then the product name. For this example, let's go with product 1. Here you can add the exact product or ASIN. Let's add spaces before and after, and then let's go with auto, and then CL for close and L for lose. Okay, this is fine. Select your portfolio, select the start date if you want to, and this on a specific date, add that as well. Now the daily budget, let's add it 31st of the August for this purpose. Daily budget set around $20 to $30 to get started, and then you can obviously raise it based on the performance, and that is all the settings you need. Create another campaign for the substitute and compliments separately, but once you hit this launch campaign button, this will go live. Okay, auto campaigns are not all gold. We have a few drawbacks. Here are the key drawbacks and how to address them. The first issue with auto, as you can imagine, is irrelevant keywords. Since Amazon selects the keyword, your ad might show up for the terms that do not convert. For example, if you are selling premium yoga mats, your ad might appear for cheap yoga mats, or in our products example like stainless steel water bottles, it can show your ad on just the plastic water bottles. Here is how to tackle this. Use negative keywords to block irrelevant terms. For example, add cheap as a negative phrase to ensure your ad does not show up for low value searches. Or in our example case, add plastic as a negative phrase. The second issue is with the compliments match type, your ad might appear on competitor pages that do not generate sales. To fix that, regularly review your search term report and add low converting ASINs as negative product targeting to stop wasted ad budget. And lastly, lack of control. Auto campaigns do not let you choose which keywords or ASINs to target, which means you might not be getting the most bang for your bucks. But surely you can transition high performing keywords and ASINs to manual campaigns for the full control. We will cover this shortly. Once your auto campaigns have been running for at least 14 to 28 days, it is time to transition your top performing keywords and ASINs into manual campaigns. For that, let's jump again to my laptop screen and see how we can extract good search terms from auto campaigns. Okay, so here I will be typing auto to find which auto campaigns I have been running lately. So here you can see this one is substitute, lose, close match. Here let's go with close match, I believe. Open this campaign. Once you are here, let's go around with the ad group. Open the close match ad group. Here go to search terms. Select the date range to last 65 days. You can adjust this based on your likings, and sort by the clicks, high to low. And now you can see these are the search terms that have been lately converting into the orders. For example, this first one, it has a really high cost, so I will not pick this out. For example, this one, for example, pants tactical wild, this one is good, I can pick it up. Twill cargo pants, again this one I can also pick out. Let's see if we have some more. Okay, this one as well, because it has just 8% ACOS. So I will pick those keywords with good ACOS from the auto campaigns. I will create dedicated manual campaigns for even better results. And in my manual campaigns, obviously I will have the more control that I want. So with this transitioning the auto good search terms into manual campaigns is a really good strategy. So that is how you can use auto campaigns to discover high performing keywords and ASINs and transition them into manual campaigns for even better results. Here is my challenge. Go set up 2 auto campaigns with 2 ad groups for each campaign. Close match, lose match, substitute and compliments. Run it for 2 weeks. Download the search term report and start identifying your top performance. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you do not miss next week's episode, where we will see how to do keyword research for the manual campaigns. Stay focused, keep pushing forward, and I will see you in the next video.